My restaurant is called Curry Scene. Curry Scene, I'm gonna make a new ingredient today. I just get a little bit of water so you can see. Can you see? I'm putting water.
Mm-hmm.
Put the rest of this stuff right there, and a little bit of curry seed. It makes the water extra clean. It makes the water even coaty. And this is the extra lemon. And you can have a little bit of curries on it. Then a little bit of that curry. And a little bit of salty curry. And a little bit of curry. Now, that's the rest of my cooking show. You can get a little, like $40. Then you can come here and eat some lunch. Then you can do this. Bye-bye.